The 5 Best Sales Books for Professionals. Approach each customer with the idea of helping him or her solve a problem or achieve a goal, not of selling a product or service. Brian Tracy. As a sales professional, there are many ways you can improve your sales skills. You can attend workshops, take seminars, or enroll in courses. Along with those, you can read sales books that build on years of experience and in-the-trenches results. In this video, you'll be introduced to the 5 best sales books for professionals. Each book will be discussed in detail later in the video and offers unique insights and valuable advice for honing your sales skills and growing your business. From proven tactics and strategies to inspiring stories of success, these books will guide you on your journey to becoming a top-notch salesperson. With that in mind, here are the 5 best sales books for sales professionals. Number 5. The Sales Bible by Jeffrey Gitomer. The Sales Bible by Jeffrey Gitomer is an invaluable resource for sales professionals. In this book, Gitomer provides key takeaways to help build strong relationships with clients, use effective selling techniques, and overcome objections. Gitomer emphasizes the importance of trust and consistency. He suggests that salespeople should focus on building a long-term relationship with their customers, rather than just focusing on making the sale. He encourages salespeople to get to know their customers' individual needs, to build trust by asking questions and listening. Gitomer also provides tips on how to use effective selling techniques and recommends salespeople should focus on the benefits of their product or service, rather than just the features. Additionally, he suggests that salespeople use storytelling to help make their product or service more relatable to the customer. Finally, Gitomer provides strategies on how to overcome objections by emphasizing with the customer and acknowledging the issue they're having. Overall, the Sales Bible by Jeffrey Gitomer is a great resource for sales professionals. Number 4. To Sell is Human by Daniel H. Pink. One of the key takeaways from Daniel H. Pink's book, To Sell is Human, is that sales should be approached in an authentic and persuasive way. This means taking the time to get to know your customers and their individual needs. By doing so, you can tailor your sales pitch to each customer and create a more meaningful sales experience. Additionally, it's important to use data and research to inform your sales approach. By understanding the data, you can better understand customer behaviors and preferences, which can help you craft a more effective sales strategy. Ultimately, To Sell is Human provides valuable insights into how to effectively approach sales and make a positive impression on potential customers. Number 3. The Art of Closing the Sale by Brian Tracy. The key takeaways from The Art of Closing the Sale by Brian Tracy include overcoming common objections, using closing techniques to secure the sale, and handling different types of customers. To overcome common objections, it is important to have a clear understanding of the customer's concerns and address them in a positive manner. Being aware of common objections and having strategies to address each one can help keep the conversation focused on the sale. Next, there are a variety of closing techniques that can be used when trying to secure the sale. These include summarizing the customer's needs, emphasizing the value of the product, and offering a special deal or incentive. Finally, it is important to be able to identify the different types of customers and understand their unique motivations. Different customers may require different approaches, and you must be able to tailor the sale to the customer's needs. By understanding these key takeaways from The Art of Closing the Sale by Brian Tracy, salespeople can be better equipped to close more sales and build stronger relationships with their customers. Number 2. The Challenger Sale by Matthew Dixon and Brent Adamson. The Challenger Sale by Matthew Dixon and Brent Adamson provides valuable insight into how sales professionals can differentiate themselves from their competition and challenge their customers to think differently. The book's key takeaways include a consultative sales approach, understanding customer needs, and utilizing different types of challenges. To differentiate yourself from the competition, the author suggests using a consultative sales approach. This means learning about the customer's needs, industry trends, and competitive landscape. This allows you to better understand the customer's challenges and position your product as the best solution. To challenge your customers to think differently, the authors suggest understanding the customer's needs and utilizing different types of challenges. You can challenge your customers by questioning the status quo, providing new insights, or offering different perspectives. This helps to engage your customer in a more meaningful conversation and encourages them to think outside the box. Finally, to use a consultative sales approach, The author suggests understanding the customer's needs and creating a solution that meets those needs. This involves asking the right questions to uncover pain points, researching the customer's industry, and evaluating their current strategies. Once you have a better understanding of the customer's needs, you can create a solution tailored to their specific requirements. Overall, the Challenger Sale provides insight into how sales professionals can best differentiate themselves from their competition and challenge their customers to think differently. By utilizing a consultative sales approach, understanding customer needs, and utilizing different types of challenges, sales professionals can effectively position themselves to challenge their customers and win more sales. Number 1. Spin Selling by Neil Rackham. The key takeaways from Neil Rackham's book, Spin Selling, are that salespeople should use questioning and listening skills to uncover customer needs. Use the spin selling method to guide the sales conversation and build value for the customer. The spin selling method involves the following 4 steps. 1. Situation questions. Ask the customer to describe the situation they are facing and the objectives they are trying to achieve. 2. Problem questions. Ask the customer to explain the problems they are encountering and their potential impact. 3. Implication questions. Ask the customer to explain how the problems will affect their business if they are not addressed. 4. Need payoff questions. Ask the customer to describe how addressing the problems will benefit them. By using this method, salespeople can effectively uncover customer needs, uncover the value of a product or service, and build trust with their customers. Additionally, salespeople should use active listening to understand the customer's needs and be able to provide them with tailored solutions. With the SPIN approach, salespeople can build strong relationships with their customers and close more deals. Each of these books offers valuable insight and advice on how to become a successful salesperson. From mastering sales conversations and authenticity to building relationships to overcoming objections, these books will provide you with the tools you need to succeed in a competitive sales industry. Ultimately, these books are great resources for salespeople of all levels, and by reading them, you can become a more effective and successful salesperson. Now, the question today is this: which of these books will you start with today? Leave a comment below, and Brian will be sure to follow up with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, as Brian always says, if you want to change your future, take action and take action now.
If you enjoyed this video and feel it was valuable, share it with your friends, or for more resources on professional development, visit my website at BrianTracy.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to change your future, take action, and take action now.